Hi YouTube, now part 5 of my 12th scale narrowboat build. Those of you who have been watching it up to now will notice from this that I've put the top strake on, this rubbing strip along the top, and that goes all the way around. In fact, let me show you it up to the bow. It took me a while to work out how to make that. I did think about buying some half round steel, but I couldn't find any, so I ended up making it, and this is the stuff I ended up making. I hope the camera catches that. It's made from the same material as the rest of the hull, 22 gauge mile steel. And what I'm going to do with this video is to show you how they're made. And there's another one going in around about there. It'll end about there, I think, and then there'll be another one going around the stern about there. It does take a while to fit them, but I'll show you how I make them in just a moment. Back with you shortly. Right, first stage is a sheet of 22 gauge mile steel, about 20 inches wide, and mark off on it 15mm and 30mm from the edge. The 15mm is a centre line. I'm going to cut it down the 30mm line. So back with you shortly. Right, so now we've got a piece of 20 inch long, 30mm wide with a centre line drawn, and the next thing is to put it in the folder. Now I've got this folder set so that I don't get a sharp corner, because I want a rounded corner. So I've moved the backstops back on it so that I can get a rounded bend. It'll go over 90 degrees. So now you can see we've got the profile, but the legs are too long. So I'm now going to trim the legs to the right length. Back with you in a minute. Okay, so we're back with a sheet metal shear, and I'm going to trim these legs so that the profile's right and the size is correct. I had to cut it long for a start, otherwise it wouldn't fit in the folder. And what I do is I get a piece of 6mm rod, 6mm round rod. I won't use that end because it's nailed over, and put it inside the channel like that, and then put it in the folder, in the cutter, the shear, hard up to the blade. Just keep moving it along. So that's one side done. I turn it round. Same again. Hard up to the blade. And we've now got a piece of strake to go around the side of the narrowboat, which is the same as the others. So that will go on. And as you can see, it's once it's been soldered in, it'll be a good match to the other one. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. The logo is up there in the top right. Give it a click. Much appreciated. Talk to you again when there's more progress. Bye for now.